Hello my friends, welcome to your channel for new video. Please sit back comfortably and enjoy. The K86 keyboard features a hot-swappable mechanism, allowing you to customize your typing experience by easily changing mechanical switches. Equipped with both Bluetooth and 2.4G connectivity, this keyboard ensures uninterrupted wireless operation for all your devices. The built-in display screen provides real-time feedback on keystroke status, enhancing your typing efficiency and gaming experience. The innovative volume rotary button allows for seamless adjustment of sound volume, offering convenience and control over your audio settings. Constructed with durable PBT plastic keycup material, the K86 keyboard is designed to withstand heavy use and last for years. Compliant with 87 key standard, this keyboard provides a complete typing experience for all your computing needs. K86 hot-swappable mechanical keyboard provides 3 connection methods: Bluetooth 2.4G and wired. The unique electronic display screen design provides you with higher playability and can be set in multiple languages including English, Korean, etc. The 12 multi-function buttons and volume adjustment knob are more distinctive and very suitable for gaming and office work. For buy you can visit the AliExpress website, link to the product in the description and the first comment. Thank you, see you in next video.